Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel viewers. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. God bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I'm very happy to see this and I'm very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and trending designs of handmade crochet bags ideas. It's a very amazing collection, so viewer, please don't skip the video. Watch the video start to end because you can see all the designs are so stunning, so unique and very useful, especially for handicraft lovers and especially for crochet lovers. I hope you all love this beautiful collection. So we will share this video with your family and sweet friends who want these type of most attractive and trending designs of handmade crochet bags. I really hope that they will love these beautiful and popular ideas. You know guys, different peoples have different choices and they love different type of colors and designs. So in this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs of handmade crochet bags. Pick your favorite one and must make these beautiful and cool designs of crochet bags. So thank you so much for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new designs, new ideas related to your crochet articles. So now I am share with you some benefits of crochet bags. These are the benefits, including eco-friendly crocheted bag are a sustainable alternative to single-use plastic bags. It's a durable crocheted bag are often made with sturdy yarns and can withstand regular use. Customizable crocheted bag can be made of various sizes, shapes and colors to suit individual needs. Unique and personalized, each crocheted bag is handmade, making it a one-of-a-kind piece and accessory. Water resistant, depending on a yarn used, crocheted bags can be water resistant or even waterproof. Easy to clean, crocheted bags are often easy to clean and maintain. Sports handmade craftsmanship. Buying or making a crocheted bag sports handmade craftsmanship and independent makers. Fashionable and stylish. Crocheted bag can be a fashionable and stylish accessory, adding a personal touch to any outfit. Practical crocheted bags can be used for various purposes such as grocery shopping, carrying books, or as a beach bags. Makes a great gift. Handmade crocheted bag can be a thoughtful and personalized gift for friends and loved ones. I hope you all are agree with all the benefits and you all are agree with this. So if you all love this article and if you want any type of other type of designs and collection of handmade crochet articles, and if you want more tutorials, so comment me. I can provide you as soon as possible. So if you all love this article and if you want more design and more ideas, so like my video, subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the new and latest update. When you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me. See you soon. Bye bye.